to my channel. So today I thought I would do a video about why do I not take the certain fidgets into store. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just take stuff one by one, and I'll just show you why it's not a good idea. Oh yeah, before we get started, I have told you all you're watching, especially you that like Starfield. So the changes to like, click the subscribe button for post notifications in 5 seconds. Here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you did it, well done. Let's switch straight into the video. I've done stuff similar like this, but I'm doing it like, why should you not take them in and what might happen. Okay, so I've got a couple. And don't try this to take these fidgets into school. Okay. So first up, this head squishy. The consequence, it might break and the water will go everywhere. And the recommendation for this, don't go into school, it will break. And this little oak might catch someone. Next up, the teeny weeny sugarballs. The consequence is it could break, and sugarballs are really extreme sticky. Okay, and the consequence for that, it can get all over you, and I just don't recommend it. Next up is the water wiggler. I don't recommend it because it will get a hole in and it will burst. And yeah, I don't really recommend it. So, the consequence for this is it can get slime everywhere, and I don't recommend it because it will just make a mess. Last two. So this one, the glitter can go everywhere for the consequence. And most importantly, the water can go everywhere. It's so bad to bring water once in. It can sound good though. But yeah, don't bring this one in. The last one is the All Be Stressful. My friend Jessica brought this in. She popped it. Not the exact same one. She bought one of her own ones in and then she popped it. And then over all of these in, the Orbeez went. But yeah, don't try and take any of these fidgets into school. If they do help you, or put them in a plastic bag for them to take safe. Okay, but the most not recommendation one is this one. Stay tuned for more. Au revoir.